Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Bags Passionate and yes, I've got this box and it is completely unplanned. If you follow my channel and you have seen my previous video, I have unboxed a lot of things I have bought during the Longchamp Summer sale. And I have also done a video concerning the item I finally declined or I was not able to buy. I explain everything. I will link all videos below if you missed them. What happened is that I thought the sale was over, and you know, every day I am in front of my computer and sometimes and give me a little bit free time and I see internet website and so on. And on a website had a selection of Longchamp items, half price, my friends. So they have done the traditional Longchamp Summer sale up to 40%, 30%. And after the sale, because they have the possibility to do that in France, it's legal, they have put the selection directly at half price. And the surprise was that in the selection, I got the item I was looking for. So I stopped the intro right now and let's unbox it. Let's go. So you know, this video is not sponsored. I'm just sharing with you my tip to have Longchamp item at the best price, and the website where I have ordered this is called Edisac. I'm sorry, my friend, I have no clue if this website is present in North America, Canada and other parts of the world. I just know that it is present in France and some other European countries like Belgium, Luxembourg, Germany. So I received it. I'm sorry, this time I have done the unboxing for the French version, but let's imagine I'm making the unboxing right now. So here we are. It was a little bit smashed, so keep finger crossed. No, everything is okay. I checked during the French version. So let's open it, and inside it was like that. It is quite well wrapped. I'm happy. The cupboard was good. So like this, and inside I got the item. I got two items, and the first surprise was this. I got an Edisac wrapping and not a Longchamp one. And the other one, I've got a Longchamp box. So this was the little thing disappointing. So let's start with this one. So I know that the two items I have ordered were the two last one. So this is the little pouch, and inside, yes, you know, I found the Longchamp 3D strap in the verveine color. It is not Longchamp wrapped because I do presume the last one was maybe the one which was used, you know, to make the pic on the website. In any case, let's open it. I think it's my theory. So let's open it. I know it's in perfect condition because I check it. If you have a look at my French version of this video, I look all the stitching, I look all the strap, and it's perfect. No scratches, nothing, everything is okay, no stains, no nothing, really nothing. The hooks are in great condition, and I have also tested them, you know, like this, and it's good. Seriously, it's good. It's new. It's really new, except the wrapping, but I do presume, as I just told you, that this is the one who was used for taking pic and they maybe lost the wrapping, the Longchamp wrapping. In any case, my friend, I found the strap, and of course I just paid for it. 47.5 euro. It used to cost 95 euro. I paid half price. So I am so happy because I looked for it everywhere and I don't find it. It was already sold out. So here it is, and I'm so happy to add it right now. So the verveine color came with gunmetal hardware. It's gorgeous. It's really gorgeous. And of course, you have understand, in this box, I have another one, and you know what I picked. Yeah, so this one I got the half of the Longchamp wrapping because normally the strap came in the box with this tissue, and inside you've got the little pouch in tissue. So this one still no pouch, but I got the box. And I also have the, let me show you, the Longchamp leaflet, just to show you everything. And of course, you see it. I got the artichoke color. Yes, my friend. Oh my God, she's gorgeous. And also this one is in perfect condition, no stains, everything is okay, stitching, perfect. And the hardware, this time the hardware are just silver. Look how shiny they are. Oops, you see? And also, they worked well. It's okay. I love the color. It's really a lovely color. I'm so glad I found them. Seriously, I could not believe my eyes. I was in front of a computer, and when I saw them, I was like, wow. The strap I was looking for, and I missed, I tell you in my video. And this one, I thought, okay, you will find it later, no worry. And of course I find it later, and I find it at a great price. So my friend, never give up and still hope for things, because the universe will help you. Seriously, I'm not kidding, because when I made the video and I explained you that, yes, I will find it later at a better price, yes, it was in my mind, but in fact it happens for real. It happened for real. I found it at a better price, half price. So I found my dream for the price of one. So it's great. Seriously, it's great. Okay, I don't have the perfect Longchamp wrapping, but they are in perfect condition. It's the most important for me, because once I use the strap, they go on my bag, and no, I don't put them after in the pouches. So yes, it's okay. Oh my God, look at the color. If I got time today, I will place them on my bags, and I will put the pics at the end of the video to show you, but I'm so happy. Seriously, I'm so happy. They are just great. Because, and I have explained it in the previous video, I love them. I will write the dimension, but the thing is that they don't have the system to adjust them, and the dimensions are just perfection for me. I can understand that it's not perfect for other people if you are really taller, or if you are like me, but you love to adjust and carry it different way. For me, it's not optimal, so I really love them. And the fact is that the new one, no, they have a system to adjust it, so it's good for all people who want to adjust to their size. But for me, they are less interesting, so I really wanted to add the last color like this. And I love them because they are so Longchamp. Seriously, it's a Longchamp vibe with the jockey on the horse, and I don't know, they rock so well a bag. It was a surprise to see on this website that they have done a selection directly at half price. It was a good surprise, and I will write this information for the next sale. I will keep looking if they make after the sale such another sale period. I don't know how I can call it. That's all. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. We are really nearly to 5K. I would love to reach 5K. I am honest with you. It's really keep my motivation high. So if you love my channel, you keep on watching my video, please subscribe. Let's reach all together the 5K. If you have a question, do not hesitate to leave a comment. I will answer you. Leave a thumbs up if you love this video and boost my video too. And yes, don't hesitate if you love my content help me. I do believe I have one of the best, no, I got the best community on YouTube. Seriously, you are all fabulous and wonderful, and you cannot imagine how much I love to have interaction with you. You are really smart. You are smart people. We have a wonderful discussion. Even if we don't think alike, it's so interesting. So thanks for your support. Till the next video, take care. I love you and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.